In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my privacy settings on Yahoo Mail. We will walk through the privacy controls that affect your Yahoo Mail on Android, iPhone, and computer. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and signing in. On your phone, tap the Yahoo Mail app icon, or on a computer, open Yahoo Mail in your browser. Enter your email address and password, then confirm any verification prompts. Once you are signed in, you should see your inbox with your messages and folders on the main screen. Now open your Yahoo account settings using the profile icon. Look to the top right corner on a computer or the top left or right in the app and tap your profile picture or initials. From the small menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. The view will shift from your inbox to the main account page where you see your name, account info, and a side or top menu. From there, go to Privacy Controls. On the account page, look for a section labeled Privacy, or a link that clearly mentions privacy controls, and select it. The privacy controls screen usually opens in a new tab or page with several tiles or sections listing Yahoo products and privacy tools. When you see options related to data, personalization, or products, you know you are in the right place. Next up, select Yahoo Mail or the relevant Yahoo product. On this privacy controls page, you will see a list of Yahoo services linked to your account. Tap or click the one that mentions Mail or that best matches where you want to adjust privacy. Once selected, the panel updates to show options that apply specifically to that product instead of all of Yahoo. After that, review the available privacy settings. Read through each setting name and its short description on the screen. Some settings relate to how Yahoo uses your activity to show content. Others relate to ads or connected devices. A useful habit is to slowly scroll from top to bottom once, so you do not miss a section that is collapsed or sitting below the fold. At this point, look under Personalize Your Experience and change the options you want. Here you will usually see toggles or checkboxes that control whether Yahoo can use your activity to tailor email suggestions, ads, or other content. Adjust each toggle one by one, and after you tap or click, the switch usually moves instantly and may show a brief saving message. There is no separate save button, so every change takes effect as soon as you change it. With that ready, go to Manage Your Information and review the information Yahoo stores and manages for your account. In this section, you might see items such as search history, location data, or device information linked to your Yahoo Mail account. Open each category to see more details and available options. On many accounts, you will also see a place to request a copy of your account data, which lets you download an archive of what Yahoo has stored. You have now updated your Yahoo Mail privacy settings through Yahoo Privacy Controls and reviewed what information Yahoo keeps for your account. If this helped you tighten up your Yahoo Mail privacy, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple email guides.